Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Angel here, what it do? And today you guys, I'm coming at you with a really quick unboxing. I'm not showing my face because I've been through it today, okay? But I just want to show you guys really quick something that I ordered over the weekend and it arrived today. So, only thing I did was open up the top of the box, okay? An item from Coach. Okay. I have my little box cutter. So it comes wrapped like this. And I ordered, this is so cute you guys. I ordered the mini Rowan in black. Is this not adorable? Y'all, this is so stinking cute. I went to the outlet last weekend and I saw some in the outlet, but I wanted a new one all wrapped up and packaged. So I just went outside to my car and ordered it online. And this is so cute. This came in a blue. It came with the CCs, but I didn't want that. I wanted just a plain one. It was a blue one, a white one. And I think it might have been one, no, it was just those three colors. So it's black, a white, and a blue one. So let me pull all of the protection off. Alright you guys, so now that I've gotten all of that doggone TSA security wrapping paper off, here is the bag. It comes with a adjustable strap. I still got to get the plastic off of there. And it comes with these little gold hooks. Let me get the price of this bag. It was $298, but I think I paid $170, something like that for it. Okay, so here is the bag up close. This is a functioning pocket right here. It's a little tight, but maybe because it's stuffed. Okay, here's this side. Need to pull this off. Here's the back. Here's the other side. It does come with gold hardware, which works for me. Smooth little zipper. And it is completely stuffed. Pull all of this out. Alright, it's empty. It has this, what color is this? It's like a brown or eggplant-ish interior. It does have 2 card slots on this side. Here's one. And then where the little care booklet is, that's another. On the other side is just the label and some more. Y'all, their packaging is just like superb. Okay. Okay. Now that I have everything off. This is so cute. I'll put all the specs and everything on the screen because I do not have my phone, which I so desperately need, in here with me. But I just wanted to show you guys really quick. I really wanted the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy, but I can't justify that price, y'all. What is that bag? Like almost $2 grand? And I want to say this might be a little bigger. I think this is like 7 inches or something like that. And I think the Nano is smaller than that, or it might be this size. But this is under $200. That is $2 grand. No ma'am. No ma'am. This does not have any feet on the bottom, so this is perfect for me like when I go shopping, because truly all I need is, I really don't put my phone in my bag unless there's somewhere where I can slide it in easily, and I am a team Android, okay? So I usually have my phone either in my hand or in my pocket. So truthfully, all I need is my key clay, my key rings, my wet wipes, and my wallet. Truthfully, that's all I really need, because I keep wet wipes, hand sanitizer, all that stuff. My mask will fit in here, of course. I keep all that stuff in my car as well. So this is just simply adorable. Now if they come out with one of these, a black one with the silver hardware, I would get that one as well, but I'm team gold. The only thing that I really wear when I wear it, well, my wedding ring, it's platinum, but y'all know I hardly ever wear that. But yeah, so the strap on here, it's a thin strap. The strap is adjustable. Let's see, more plastic. Okay, so it has 2, 4, 6, 7 holes on here. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on me. Alright, so I have it on the next to the last hole. I am 5'7", so this hits me in a perfect spot. This is not too big, it's not too bulky. Like, this is perfect. If you guys want me to do a what's in my bag or what fits, just let me know and I will do that. But I just really wanted to come on here really quick and do this cute little unboxing, you guys. Is this not cute? So you can wear this crossbody, or you can detach it and you can just carry it like that. It won't fit over my hands or anything like that, but this is so worth it. This is so worth it. I do know, like last year, I think Michael Kors came out with one, but they had that real big silver emblem on it. I didn't want that. So I'm just so glad. Good things come to those who wait, huh? Yes. It has Coach on the little pull tab right here. Y'all, get one of these. Get one of these. So you guys, for size reference, I have my pillow tabby. What's this, the 18? And this, they're pretty much the same. The pillow tabby is probably like a centimeter longer. But here they are side by side. This is just like a centimeter longer than this. But adorable, right? Simply adorable. But I just wanted to come on, you guys, and do a really quick unboxing. I love you guys. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.